Hey guys, my name is Elise and this is the Crunchy Ginger. Every week I try to share a tip, a trick, or a DIY that's aimed at helping you live a little greener and save a little money. And this week I've got my MightyFix. So for those of you who aren't aware, MightyFix is a subscription program from MightyNest.com, and every month you get a surprise sustainable product that is aimed at helping you make small changes to be more sustainable or live a little greener. So one reason I love sharing this is because even though I've been kind of on a green journey for a while, I still love finding new products, and I think it's really fun to share new green, eco-friendly, sustainable products with you guys as well. And if you're interested in MightyFix, then you can kind of check out what you might be getting in your box. So, to be honest, this is my January MightyFix, even though it is now well into February. But you may notice I'm in a new location. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that this is not a place I have filmed before. And that's because we just moved into a new house, which is incredibly exciting, but it's been an immense amount of work. If you have ever moved with small children or toddlers, drop me a comment below, commiserate with me, because friends, it is difficult. And in a pandemic situation, moving from an apartment into a home that needs a renovation, it's been incredibly difficult. So that's why you haven't seen a video from me in a while, and forgive me if I'm not as consistent as I usually am. I will try to get stuff out to you as best I can. Okay, enough of the housekeeping. This is my MightyFix. Let's see what's in the box. It has been so long since I ordered this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea what's in here because, I think I ordered this stuff in, I don't know, the beginning of January maybe. So I don't know what's even in here. Hopefully, probably something I've needed. But the other great thing about if you have a subscription to MightyFix is you get free shipping on any other product you want at the same time from their really well curated catalog of green and sustainable stuff. So I love to take advantage of the free shipping as well. So you can see, always with sort of paper packaging. I love that. There's no bubble wrap and stuff. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, the first thing is my favorite MightyNest product. This is the Meliora dish soap bar. Oh, I could smell this right when I opened the box. If you've never used this before, this is a dish soap, for hand washing dishes, but it's in a bar, and it smells so good. This is the lavender one, and this guy lasts for quite a while. Now, I used to say that this lasted me a month. Now that I'm in this new house, I have a new dishwasher that actually washes dishes. So you don't have to put them in there basically clean in order for them to get clean, this is something I've never experienced before. So I have used way less of this because I've been doing less hand washing before I put stuff in the dishwasher. But this thing is amazing. If you've never tried it before, I would recommend giving it a try. You just rub your sponge or whatever on there. It's kind of the perfect amount of soap, and you just wash like regular. It's beautiful. So this is the Meliora dish soap bar. This one is the lemon scent. Let's see what else in here. And I get that guy every month. Oh, thank goodness. This is my Schmidt natural deodorant, and this is something I have definitely needed in the last couple weeks. I haven't opened this box because I ran out, and I've been using my husband's deodorant for 2 weeks. Sorry, honey. But this is the Schmidt, and if you are skeptical about trying a natural deodorant, check out this brand, because I have tried many other natural deodorant brands, and this one works well. It really does work. This is the bergamot lime one. They've got a lot of different scents, but this one is my favorite. It's fresh, lightly citrusy. It's a really unisex fragrance, and this one lasts me quite a while. But I love this guy. Schmidt's, great brand. If you've never tried a natural deodorant, I would give this one a try. It's a winner. Okay, the next thing in my box is my MightyFix. And so I have no idea what this is, but it has been sitting on my, in a pile of stuff for several weeks now, so I'm anxious to see what is in here. Let's check it out. It feels kind of rigid inside. Maybe it's something glass, I'm not sure. Let's see here. Oh, it's a little tumbler. Wine and beverage insulated tumbler. Oh, this is by a brand called U-Konserve, and I have many other of their stainless steel containers. So it's got this little lid here, the seal around it. You can see inside. This looks like it's a 8 ounce. This is an 8 ounce container. It's got this, I don't know what you would call, I don't know what you call this stuff. It's not like a silicone. It's like a hard. It's like yeah, if you've ever had a hydro flask, that's what it feels like, that sort of coated metal here. Reusable solution to 1 million disposable cups headed to the landfill every minute. This guy's adorable. Keep wine, iced tea, and cocktails cold while you sip. Also ideal for hot tea, coffee, and cocoa. Dishwasher safe, top rack for my new dishwasher that washes dishes. Free of BPA, phthalates, and lead. Stainless steel. Cute. Very cute. The MightyFix always comes with this information card about what it is. You can see it says, your fix is here. And then it has some information about this product and some information about what makes it mighty on the back, what makes it a good green product. Go-to for camping, backyard barbecues, picnic, coffee shop, etc., etc. Double wall insulated, durable 18/8 stainless steel. Keeps drinks hot or cold, won't sweat, burn, or freeze your hands. Awesome. Oh, 8 ounces, perfect size for kids' milk and smoothie. Yeah, I'm sure my kids will. They always want to use whatever cup I have. So if this is a winner, we may end up having to get a couple of these, but this is so cute. This will be perfect for like a little sipper out on the patio whenever the weather's not so cold. How cute, you guys. All right, so this is this month's MightyFix. And if you are interested in checking out MightyFix, I got a coupon code for you. So you can check it out for just $3. All you need to do is click on the link below and you're gonna use the code MightyNow. So link below, use the code MightyNow. That gets you your first month's fix for just $3. So then you can check out what it is. You can also get anything else you want from their, from their catalog with free shipping. Get that at the same time, take advantage of that, stock up on stuff that you're gonna buy anyway. They have great prices there, they really do. And they've also got some member savings too. So if you put some stuff on subscription, like I've got this guy on subscription, so you get a little bit of an extra discount. Usually it's somewhere in the range of 5% if you put something on like a monthly subscription to get every month or every 2 months or whatever. And you can skip a month if you don't need it. But I find that to be really useful. And then if I kind of forget, it's always kind of like in my cart and I can go and check it out before my order processes. So I would highly recommend checking out the MightyFix. I love it. I still love it. I've been doing it for more than a year and it is great. If you've got any questions about it, please leave me a message below. I love chatting. I'd love to know what you got in your fix. Oh, and something else that people have sometimes asked me about, you can choose your fix. So if you don't want it to be a surprise, there is kind of a list of things you could choose if you feel like, I got a lot of green products, I'm not quite sure, I don't want to get something I already have. You can kind of check out and you can select, if you don't like it to be a huge surprise, which product you're going to get for that month. So that is it for this. I hope that this helps you and I hope that you've gotten some ideas about ways you can live a little greener and maybe save a little money. Please subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. I am so looking forward to making more new videos in my new space. Thank you so much for watching.